Once you've made money online, you can withdraw your money using any of the gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfers, or many other payment options accepted around the world. In addition, this service is completely free. You don't even have to tie up your money to get started. Immediately showcase a real scenario and show you how to do it in less than 10 seconds without the need for sales, referrals, affiliate marketing, followers, websites, or videos. A really easy way for beginners to make money every day, nothing special. Watch this video to the end to learn more about this new way to make money online. 5 squids make up the website I want to show you in today's video. You can access 5squid.com now, but watch the entire video first. Remember that we have our first channel draw active. At the end of the video, we will remember the conditions to participate. Lots of examples, proofs, and finally, tips on special bonuses you shouldn't miss to actually get paid. As of, people primarily use this website to buy, sell, and request a variety of services for an average of US $5. Try it now. Scroll down to see a long list of additional services provided by others. Don't worry. We do not recommend producing movies, graphics, or similar material. I always try to make it as easy as possible for you. This video shows you a 100 done free method that you can implement right now to earn $5 in less than 10 seconds. Again, people regularly pay $10 from different countries around the world, including people from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Nigeria, Philippines, India, Pakistan, and other different countries. I will receive it. As you can see, you can now fund your PayPal account. However, if you don't have a PayPal account, there are several ways to make money. Click the icon on the 5squid.com homepage again to find the various categories for which you can receive payments on this site. Examples of include graphic design, online marketing, music and audio authoring translations. In fact, I would like to introduce you to something incredibly unique on this newly released website. Under the other sections you can see here, no one else is talking about it right now. I would like to see the comments. Click on this unique category. Also, no technical expertise, design or video production skills are required. Also, rest assured that you don't have to sell anything to anyone. As you can see, the message on page has users from all over the world and is also titled. For example, this man from this country stands next to a Nigerian. There are also people from Morocco, England, Russia, and other Pakistan. So many people from so many different countries are gathering here. But more importantly, you can see that they make virtually $10 each time they offer this service, and that's what you're trying to say. Calm down, it's simpler and easier than you think. Now all you have to do is click on this service to access this website. You can see that I'm paying Einstein £5 to write down 3 messages on the blackboard. By exchanging pound for £5 for US dollars, you can actually make much more than $5. However, this particular site, 5squid, charges a small fee. However, you can rest assured that you will be able to maintain all the cents you receive for all the services you provide. Basically, as you can see in the preview, you can enter any term to ensure that the whiteboard produces the appropriate attack. Many people are actually paying for this very useful service. Don't worry. This video will show you how. You may be wondering how to do this and how to create a dynamic image similar to this. Therefore, you can enter any word on the board. To do this, simply type Einstein in the search bar of our website hetemil.com. You can see that this effectively creates a dynamic Einstein image. This is what we are aiming for. Made specifically for you, you can see it here. Here you can see how to edit this image by adding your own text. For example, if you enter text and select Change Image, the sentence will automatically appear in the image. This text is displayed with equations, formulas, and other information. Pretend you want to subscribe to this video for discussion. But imagine that you can enter whatever you like, depending on what your customer wants. You can create this same ready-made free photo using the 100% for you app, which is available directly on hetemil.com. This all depends on the needs of the consumer. As soon as I see my channel, I change it. Please like this video in exchange. As you can see, if you click this button to change the image, it will be displayed within 10 seconds. Before we dive into detail, subscribe to the channel, and if you've enjoyed the video before, please rate it. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. And as you can see, people charge real money for it. Do this for 3 messages and calculate £5. This service can be provided without any technical knowledge or graphic design experience, as evidenced by the fact that there are more than 19 reviews on this particular freelancer's profile, and at least 19 people are using the service. There is a demand for. Use the 100 for You program at hetemil.com to create such an image. You can change any tag according to customer's request. When you're done, you can quickly take screenshots on your computer or smartphone, depending on what you're using. Now you can quickly take a screenshot like this, for example, and press it a bit. With just a click, you can save it to your computer or mobile device and email it to your client for $10 in less than 10 seconds. In addition to this, you can use ready-made templates for Uncle Sam, Quaker, and Einstein, but I'll give you a little bonus tip soon. As an example, clicking on this template will take you to this page. Now you can see that you can change the wording of the photo you created earlier. Engraved there, I want you. The wording below can be changed as needed. For example, if you are following my channel, click this button to change the image. You will find that you can easily change the entire poster with just one click. And many people want to change this theme or post such a theme, but don't know how easy it is on this site. As you can see, this is actually very smart and fun, and all of this can be offered here at 5squid.com. To create a free account, just click the Join button above. You can register for free on this site by entering your email address and clicking the Next button. As I said towards the end of this video, I'm going to introduce you to another Fiverr site, and once again, this is a really special niche. Now, if you search for the keyword Einstein your message on, you'll see that this growth trend selects people who are making money. As of, we offer 1 service, 5 services, and 12 services, each of which costs $5. If you follow my example, you can complete your purchase in less than 10 seconds. Enter a few words and click this button to take a screenshot within 5 seconds. So if you are still watching this video, this is a great opportunity for you to make money. Visit Fiverr.com or 5squid.com to sell the same service for $5 each time. As an example of, you can see that this person has more than 12 reviews from more than 12 customers who comment on these particular services. They like it, they gladly guess paying a lot of money to this independent contractor. What? Not all customers actually leave reviews. This person actually sells over 12 services on this platform, as some users only buy the service without leaving a review. By using 100 as a solution at hetemil.com, you can repeat the process and get $5 each time. People from all over the world can make money this way. As a result, this program performs all labor-intensive tasks for you, wasting them on social media, making videos for anyone, dealing with problematic situations, etc. Gain expertise, experience, and save time waiting for results. And that's it. If you like this kind of similar content, check out the other videos. Remembering that to participate in our first giveaway for $50 when you reach 500 channel subscribers, you just have to, if you like it, click the like button to subscribe and click on the channel notification bell. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.